Namaskar. Today we will discuss about demultiplexers. Demultiplexers. Okay. So here the demultiplexer is a combinational logic circuit. Okay. Here the demultiplexer is a combinational logic circuit designed to switch one common input to one common input line to several separate output line. Okay, one common input line to one of several output line. Okay, so here the demultiplexer is a combinational logic circuit. Okay, so here it is designed to switch one common input line to one of several separate output line. Okay, several separate output line. So here this is demultiplexer. So here the data distributor. Here the data distributor is known as more commonly as a demultiplexer or DMUX. Okay, so here the data distributor known more commonly as a demultiplexer or DMUX. Okay, so DMUX for short. Here the DMUX for short for demultiplexer. Okay, so here is the exact opposite of the multiplexer. So here the demultiplexer is the exact opposite of the multiplexer. Okay, so here what is multiplexer? First of all, so here the multiplexer is a combinational logic circuit designed to several common input line to one output line. Okay, but here the demultiplexer is exact opposite to multiplexer. So here the demultiplexer is a combinational logic circuit. So here it is designed to switch one common input line to one of several separate input lines. Okay. So here this is about the demultiplexer. Okay, and then we can see the general representation of DMUX or multiplexer. Okay, so then we will discuss about the general representation or the circuit configuration of demultiplexer is so one input line to several input lines. It means one input line to two output lines and also one input line to four input lines, four output lines, and one input line to several separate eight output lines. So something like this. Okay, then you can see the general representation of one input line to two output line. Okay. The general representation of the demultiplexer or DMUX. For one input line to two output line. Okay, for one input line to two output line logic circuit. Okay, so here this is the DMUX. So so the one input line to two output line logic circuit చూసే ముందు సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ జనరల్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ చూద్దాం అనుకున్నాం కదా సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ముందు జనరల్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ చూసి సో ఆ జనరల్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది డీమల్టిప్లెక్సర్ చూసిన తర్వాత సో వన్ ఇన్పుట్ లైన్ టు టూ అవుట్పుట్ లైన్ లాజిక్ సర్క్యూట్ చూద్దాం ఓకే సో హియర్ దిస్ ఇస్ డీమల్టిప్లెక్సర్ DMUX. Okay, so it has one input signal to several output signals. And so on. So this is y1 and y1 and y2. Okay, and so on. Y2 power n minus 1. Y2 power n minus 1. Okay, so here this is this one and this is S2, S1 and S2. Okay, so here these are adders or subtractors. Okay, so here this is the general representation of the demultiplexer. Then we will discuss about the one line input to two line output logic circuit for demultiplexer is here this is the demultiplexer DMUX. Okay, yes, one input signal. One input signal. Okay, is simply called as I. Okay, and it has two output signals. So first one is y0 and the other one is y1. Y0 and y1. Okay, so here these are the two signals. This is E and this is S0. Okay, so here this is the logic circuit for one line to two line demultiplexer. One line input to two line output demultiplexer or DMUX. Okay, so here this is the logic circuit, and then we will discuss about the truth table. Truth table of one line input to two line output demultiplexer. So Z and S0 and Y0 and Y1. 0 0 0 1. Okay, sorry. 0 0 1. It means I. So here this is I 0. Okay. So here is 0 and 1 and he has 1. So this is the truth table of one line to one line input to two line output demultiplexer. Okay. So hence here the Boolean expression of one line input to two line output demultiplexer is that is so y naught is equals to I s naught bar a. Okay, I s naught bar e. So ఇక్కడ 0 means and the y1 is equals to I, right? S naught and e. Okay, so ఇక్కడ here the 0 means light, it means intense. Then the one is that is absent. Okay, 0 is intense, it means light is present, and here the one is no intense, it means one is no light. Okay, so here this is about the one line input to two line output demultiplexer. Okay, and this is a for example of demultiplexer or demux. Okay, and then here the logic circuit. Okay, so here this is our IC diagram. Okay, and then the logic circuit of one line input to two line output demultiplexer is so here this is E and this is S naught and this is S naught bar. Okay, and here this is I. Okay, so here these are two AND gates. This is Y naught and another AND gate Y1. So here the Boolean expression of Y naught is equals to I S naught bar and E. Here the Boolean expression of Y1 is I S naught and E. Okay, so here the logic circuit of one line input to two line output demultiplexer is so here I is connected to Y naught and also S naught bar is connected to Y naught and E is also connected to Y naught. Okay, and this is for Y naught Boolean expression. And then we will discuss about Y1. So here Y1 is connected to I. Okay, and S naught. S naught is connected to Y1 and E is also connected to Y1. Okay, are you clear? So here, this is the logic circuit. This is the logic circuit of one line input to two line output demultiplexer. Okay, so the another example is 1 is to 4. It means one line input, four line output demultiplexer. So then you see the IC diagram of one line input to four line output demultiplexer is. So here this is the one line to four line demultiplexer. Okay, and it has one input. It is simply known as I. Okay, and then so it has the four output is y naught and the another one is y1 and another one is y2 and next one is y3. Okay, so here the one line input to four line output demultiplexer integrated circuit diagram is so this one. Okay, so and the truth table of sorry, so here this is E and S naught and S1. E, S naught and S1. Okay, so the truth table of one line input to four line output demultiplexer is okay. So here first, so here this is 0 1 and 0 1. So here 1 1 1 1. So because here P is commonly connected to uh, demultiplexer. Okay. Sorry, S1 actually here. S1. Y1 and Y1 Y2 and Y3. Okay. Okay. 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. Okay. So here This is I and y1 is 0, y2 is 0, y3 is 0. So in y1, y0 0, y1 I, y2 0, y3 0. So this is 0, 0, and 0, 0, 0, 0, I. Okay, so here the Boolean expression of one line input to four line output demultiplexer is y0 is equal to I and S1 bar and S0 bar and E. Okay, so y1 is equals to y1 is equals to I and S1 and S0 bar and E. ఓకే సో ఇక్కడ జీరో అని ఉంటే బార్ పెట్టుకోవాలి సో హియర్ జీరో మీన్స్ లైట్ ఈస్ ప్రెసెంట్ వన్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆబ్సెంట్ ఓకే జీరో అంటే లైట్ ప్రెసెంట్ వన్ అంటే లైట్ ప్రెసెంట్ సో హియర్ జీరో మీన్స్ జీరో వన్ మీన్స్ ప్రెసెంట్ ఓకే సో అందుకని జీరో ఉంటే బార్ ఓకే so here y2 is equals to I and S1 bar and S0 and E and the last one y3 is I. The Boolean expression of y3 is I and S1 S0 E S1 S0 E. Okay, so here this is the Boolean expression of one line input to one line output demultiplexer. Then we will discuss about the logic circuit. So in the logic circuit of 1 to 4 demultiplexer is, so here this is E, this is S1 and this is S1 bar and here this is S0 and this is S0 bar and this is I. Okay, so this is the y0, y1, y2 and y3. So here the Boolean expression of y0 is I S1 S0 bar S1 bar S0 bar and E. Okay, so here the y0 is connected to when it is connected to I and I and S1 bar and S0 bar and okay and the Boolean expression of y1 is I S1 and S0 bar and E. Okay, okay. So So I is connected to Y1 and S1, S1 and S0 bar, S0 bar and E. Okay, and here the Boolean expression of Y2 is I, S1 bar and S0 and E. Okay, so here I is connected to Y2, I is connected to Y2 and S1 bar and S0, S0 and E, S1 bar and E. Okay, and the Y3, the Boolean expression of Y3 is I, S1, S0, okay, I is connected to Y3 and S1 is connected to Y3 and S1 is connected to Y3 and E is connected to Y3. Okay, so here this is the logic circuit of one line input to one line input to four line output demultiplexer or demux or data selector. Okay, so ఏ విధంగా ఈ one line to two line output and one line to four line output and one line to eight line output and then one line to 16 line output and one line input to 32 line output. So ఈ విధంగా ఈ 1 to 2 demultiplexer, 1 to 4 demultiplexer, and 1 to 8 demultiplexer, and 1 to 16 demultiplexer, that's 1 to 32 demultiplexer. So ఇట్లా ఈ విధంగా మనం ఈ demultiplexer ని సో ఈ విధంగా మనం ఈ demultiplexer మనం కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేసుకుని దాని యొక్క లాజిక్ సర్క్యూట్ అలాగే దాని యొక్క ఐసి డయాగ్రామ్ ఇంటిగ్రేటెడ్ సర్క్యూట్ డయాగ్రామ్ అండ్ ఆ తర్వాత వాటి ట్రూత్ టేబుల్స్ బూలియన్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ సో మనం వీటి ద్వారా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయొచ్చు మనం డ్రా చేసుకొని చూసుకోవచ్చు ఓకే సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద one example of demultiplexer okay and mainly here the demultiplexer is used to okay so here mainly here the demultiplexer is used to connect a single source to multiple destinations connect a single source to multiple destinations. Okay, so here mainly the demultiplexer is used to connect a single source to multiple destinations. Okay, so here the main application area of demultiplexer is communication system. So here the main purpose and the main application area of demultiplexer is communication system. Okay, so where multiplexers are used most of the communication systems. Okay, so here the multiplexers are used to most of the communication system are bidirectional. It means they function in both ways, that are transmitting and receiving signals and receiving signals. Okay. Okay. So what is that? Mainly here the demultiplexer is used to connect a single source to multiple destinations. Okay, so the main application of the demultiplexer is communication system. So where here the multiplexers are also used most of the communication systems are bidirectional, that is they function in both ways, that is transmitting signals and receiving signals. Okay, so here this is the use of, these are the uses of demultiplexers. Okay, so here this is about the demultiplexer or DMUX. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.